You like that, Phoenix? You like the lettuce? Lettuce? Let us pray. I'm leaving you alone for 2 days. I'm going fishing and camping with Abby. You'll be okay for 2 days. Oh, why are you throwing lettuce at me? You dropped it. You dropped it. Yeah, it's been a long day. And tomorrow will be up with nature, with the birds. I'd take you with me, but I don't know. I could take you with me. No, not if we're tenting it. You'll be okay. Okay? Hey you. Hey you. He's starting to say hey you. He's starting to say hey you. Well, maybe we'll catch a fish and we'll bring back a fish for you. I haven't fished in a long time. I'm just getting a license for a week. But we'll see. But I know you conures, you don't mind a fish just a little bit. You're supposed to be herbivorous, but you're actually a little bit omnivorous. Yeah. So, well, you got water, you got your juice. I'll replenish your seed tomorrow, and then you're good to go for 2 days, okay? Don't worry. Be happy. I'll be back.